Check out this Chrysler 2017 300C base. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are navigation system, Garmin, 6 speakers, AM/FM radio, Sirius XM, audio memory, radio data system, radio, Uconnect 4C nav with 8.4 display, air conditioning, automatic temperature control and front dual-zone AC. If you are looking for a solid pre-owned car, this might be the one. This car won't be available much longer. Call now to schedule a test drive at our dealership.